Ghana Senior High School Koforidua had 16 points. And University Practice Senior High School had 18 points. You've all been using your bells, so the bells are working. That I'm sure of. So we start our second round. This is the Trusted AI speed race. In our second round, we have the speed race where your speed counts. Each question is coming to all schools, and you may take turns in answering. If you are the first school to answer correctly, you earn 3 points. When you are wrong, second school answers correctly for 2 points. When they are wrong, third school answers correctly for 1 point. Anytime you get it wrong, you lose a point. In this round, you can stop me at any time. Once you stop me and I call on you, you have 3 seconds to start giving your answer. If not, that bell will go out on you, and your answer will be considered wrongly given. So you lose a point. This means that as soon as I call you, you start giving me your answer. If you start by, and we have, and madam, the answer to this is no, they don't qualify as you starting with your answer at all. So if the answer is A, tell me A. If it is B, tell me B. Then we move on. Unless you have to give me an equation, then you give me the equation. But don't start with what I'm asking of you before you tell me what I have asked of you, okay? Good. So the speed race is sponsored by Trusted AI, your real-world experience. I wish all schools the best in round 2. What is the largest cell in the human body? Yes, university practice.
The ovum.
The
ovum.
Correct. Name the type of placentation in which placentae develop on a central dome. Yes, Ghana Senior High.
Free central placentation.
Correct. Name the liquid in spiders which act as a replacement for blood. Yes, university practice.
Hemolymph.
Correct. Find the inverse of the linear transformation T such that xy maps onto x plus 2y negative x minus 2y. Yes, university practice.
T inverse of x, comma, y is equal to, there is no inverse.
Is equal to?
No, there is no inverse.
University practice. You are the ones who complain about this. That is correct. We continue. Find the solution set of the rational inequality, the expression x minus 1 over the expression x plus 3. Yes, in Ghana Senior High.
X is such that negative 3 less than x less than 1.
Incorrect. Less than 0. Yes, Winneba.
A set of x such that negative 3 less than x less than 1.
Correct. Solve for x given the absolute value of the expression 2x minus 15 equals x? Yes, Ghana Senior High.
X is equal to 15 or X is equal to 5.
Correct. Find the mass of a particle whose gravitational pull on a 15 kilogram particle is 42 nanonewtons at 0.25 meters between the particles. It is 2.6 kilograms. The potential energy function for a moving particle is given by V of x, y, z equals negative a over the square root of the expression x squared plus y squared plus z squared, where a is a constant. Find the potential energy of the particle at the points defined parametrically by x equals 1 over 2 b cos theta, y equals 1 over 2 b sine theta, and z equals root 3 over 2 b. It is negative a over b. Determine the work done in lifting a 16 kilogram object vertically upward through a distance of 3.0 meters. Yes, Ghana Senior High.
This 480 joules.
Incorrect. Winneba.
480 joules.
Incorrect. Yes, university practice.
460 joules.
Incorrect. $470 joules. Last set. What is the molarity of Pb2 plus in a sample of water containing 15.0 milligrams per cubic decimeters of Pb2 plus, Pb equals 207. Ghana Senior High.
3.1 by 10 raised to an exponent of positive 3 moles per dm cube.
Incorrect. Yes,
We
Winneba.
have 3.11 by 10 to an exponent of positive 3 mole per dm cube.
Incorrect. It is 7.25 by 10 to the power negative 5 mole per decimeter cubed. Give the simplest ratio of coefficients of reactants and products in the same order as in the reaction iron 2 hydroxide is iron 3 hydroxide plus nitric acid, resulting in iron 3 nitrate plus water when balanced. Yes, university practice.
Yeah. 1:3:1:6.
Incorrect. Winneba.
1:6. 1:6:1:3.
Incorrect. One is to 3:1:3. I may come back to this one later. Give the combined value of the oxidation state of boron in Na2B4O7, B2H6, and H3BO3. Yes, Ghana Senior High.
Positive 3.
Correct. And that's the end of the second round.